Guys, Andrew here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to publish a chart in Google Sheet. So once you're in Google Sheet and you have the chart that you want to publish, you want to first click on the chart, look towards the upper right hand side, you'll find three dots, click on that, and here in the list you'll have publish chart. Click on that, and here you can go ahead and choose how you want to publish it. So as you can see, it says a chart here. You can do the sheet. We want to focus on ensure that the chart is selected. Then from here you can choose, okay, you want it to be an image or interactive, or you want it to be interactive. I'm going to leave it as interactive. Then here you have the publish content and settings. You can click the drop down here and you have basically entire document or the start publishing. Then once you're done, just simply click and publish, guys. And here's going to say, do you want to publish the document? Just simply click on OK, and you will see that it gives you a link, right? And this is a document and this is a chart that is now published, and this is basically the link. So you can copy this link, you can check it at any point in time, right? And that's it, guys. You basically publish your chart here, right? So at any point in time you want to go back, you can go back to publish chart, and you can find that link to that chart that you've published. And that's all there is to it. You can go ahead and you can copy this link, you can share this link via email, as I said, Twitter, Facebook, whichever it is. So that's how you do it. Very easy and very simple, guys.